Elimination of a long investment or speculative position, and often involves establishing a speculative short position by professional interests in anticipation of a decline in price. In the distribution area, the professional investors or speculators that previously had bought stock sell their stock to the public. The public buys, and it generally buys because of good news of various sorts. Good news on the company, its product, the economy, or any news which will entice untrained people to rationalize their buying decision. The best news of all is the advancing of the price of a stock. Often the main reason untrained people buy is they do not want to miss out on the anticipated profits they think they are going to get as the stock continues to move up. Or they may buy because the stock has reacted a few points from the top and they think they're getting a bargain. After having sold their long stock, professionals have no reason to support the stock on reactions, and so they cancel their bids under the market. They may not only cancel the bids, but they may establish short positions in anticipation of a large decline in price.
In other words, who does what to whom? It is largely the untrained people, the public, who sell on the terminal shakeout. These are people who have bought at higher prices and now see the stock go into new low ground, which some people think is the worst thing that can happen. They look at what the stock is doing, not how it is doing it. When a stock is driven into new low ground, it often looks disastrous. It may look as though it is going to resume a downward trend or start a downward trend when it makes a new low, that it is going to continue to go down, down, down. If these untrained people are doing the selling, who is doing the buying? The professionals are buying. The pros, or shall we say the composite operators, who have been absorbing the stock, buying the stock, now are attempting to see if they can control the stock so that they can begin moving it up. The critical thing that is shown by the terminal shakeout is the amount of supply that comes out on that shakeout and whether or not that supply is absorbed. Remember this vital point.
To the